Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Habib Ali and I am an ICT tutor by profession. So welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be learning about how to change a chart from one type to another in Excel. For example, changing a column chart to a pie chart. So we are back on our destinations 2 spreadsheet. Let's go ahead and look at today's question. So the question is asking us to change the column chart on the distance worksheet to a pie chart. So we've got a column chart on this distance worksheet. We need to change it to a pie chart. Let's have a look. So here's the column chart. We need to somehow change this or convert this column chart into a lovely round pie chart. Now there is a couple of ways of doing this. So the first method is to click on the chart, and by clicking on the chart tools will appear. So under the chart tools we have two tabs, one called design, one called format. We need to use the design tab, and under the design tab we need to go to the group called type. So you can see straight away in the type group there is only one option. This is asking us to change the chart type, or that's the option. So we click on it, and by doing so it's straight away asking us, okay, which chart do you want to change this to? You can see the heading at the top. So all we need to do is simply select pie chart, leave it as the 2-dimensional, or you can pick one of the more fancier ones. I'm going to leave it on a 2-dimensional pie chart. It's giving me a lovely preview here. This is what it's going to look like. I'm happy with it for now. All I need to do is click on OK. And by doing so you can see the column chart has now been changed into a pie chart. Now the second method, I'm just going to undo this. The second method of changing this column chart to a pie chart, you can use the right click. So just click anywhere in the chart and select change chart type, and then this brings you to the same window, change chart type. Then again you do the same thing, click on pie, choose the relevant type of pie chart you want, and simply click on OK, and there we are. Now the chart has changed to a pie chart, but it's got rid of all the labels. For example, if you remember the destination names, they are no longer here. So please don't worry about this, because the next lesson is going to be about adding labels into this pie chart and changing other elements of charts as well. So that's the end of this lesson. So please like and share and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and I shall see you over in the next lesson to learn about adding labels and other elements to a chart. So I shall see you then. Take care and goodbye.